is literally 7:24 in the morning, and this is the type of shit I listen to. Look. Hold up. Wait a minute. What?
Found my own ride, I had to take the right lane. Brand new drop, thumbing through them strips, no bike lane. Head crack, 4, 5, 6 like a dice game. Make some real hits.
Yo. So back to our regular programming. I am done with the shoes. So are you ready to see it? Look, so I'm trying to figure out what side is this. Alright, this is the left side. So we got Stranger Things. You can't really see it because of the light, but it's like I just want it to be like it fades with the background so you don't really see it, like not purposely see it. But yeah, and then we got this scene right here. I got this scene from season 3. I don't know the episode. I forgot the episode because she was in 2 episodes with that fit. And then the regular deglazer. And then this is the monster. His face and like his little arms or tentacles or whatever y'all wanted to call it. I was thinking about doing it around, but I'm like, that's too much. But then I just left it like that. So, and then we got the right side. Bam! That's all 4 of them. Let me try to match my fingers with them. I wish like I could get like a better image. I mainly show y'all pictures after because it's like I can't capture it through the light and stuff. And then in this we got the regular bicycle stencil, if you're familiar with that. And then we have regular deglazer. So this is how the shoe look. Cool, nice. This side is nice. This side is fuego, like oof. And then bam. I don't know, I think I'm getting better, honestly. Like I'm getting better with like positioning colors and positioning like where they're supposed to be, because it's like I said previously, it's like 7 something and I gotta work on another shoe like right away. So after this I'm doing another shoe and you're gonna see the color, like you're gonna see the progress I be making. But yeah, let me try to give you a 360 view. And then the inside. So yeah, Stranger Things, keep rocking with me. You know, I always say that in every video. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Be updated, like honestly. Oh, be in the comments telling me like, yo, what y'all want to see, because it's like I'm kind of tired of Air Forces. I ain't gonna hold you. I don't know if y'all tired of it. Like I don't know what to do because it's like y'all not talking. But tell me, let me know, and let's go. Oh, good morning, by the way.